Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can play with your friends online in Madden 27. So actually there are three ways. The first one is that just go to Ultimate Team, select Play Ultimate Team option, and you'll able to play with your friend right here with using your Ultimate Team. Like you just gotta select the option Play a Friend right here, and you'll see two options: head-to-head play against friend or all Madden head-to-head play against friend. Whichever you like, you can simply select that and you'll able to see the window to invite your friend. Once you accept the invitation, you'll able to play with him in ultimate team. So this is the first way. Now if you want to play with your friend at your house, then the second way is for you. Like just go to the option quick play, select play now, and just right here you gotta select the option custom game. Right here connect both of your controllers and you just need to select the team, and you'll able to play with the same team, or even you'll able to play against each other. So this is the offline way. Now the third one is the online one, where we need to go to online head to head, select online head to head option, and here you'll able to play with your friend online. Like you have the option this one, head to head play a friend. Select this. Now just change the settings according to your preference and hit the option play, and you'll see again same window. Just choose your friend, and once you accept the invitation, you'll able to play with him. Now in case if you're wondering where your friend can see the invitation, then he just gotta press the R3 key on the controller and the EA Connect window will open. Here if we go to game invites, he'll able to see your invitation, and once he accepts, he'll able to join you and able to play with you. So yeah, these were some ways you can use to play with your friends online in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.